Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to talk about greasing up the TYM tractor. I want to make sure that everything's lubed up the way that it should be. I'm going to be using just a grease gun to get into each one of these grease fittings. We got several on the loader and some on the tractor. This is just a standard grease gun, which works fine. Spend a couple bucks and get one of these. Either the units from Milwaukee or one of the other power tool companies. They work great. But you just push that in on the grease fitting, and this here you just hold it down and
are you ready?
go, nothing to it. Get it all greased up, ready to go for the next snowstorm up here. Just try and keep it maintained and treat it right. Appreciate you checking us out. Remember, subscribe. Thank you.